What is your name?
My name is Chastity Love.
My name is Aurora.
My name is Chastity Love II.
And what gender are you?
I'm a man, but I want to be a girl, so I came here. And how old are you? 13. 13?
Yeah.
What makes you special?
I'm a transvestite.
Ah, anything else?
I'm a man too. What brings you here?
Well, I'm running low on the money because I need to support my 3 children. So I'm going to become a porn star and help the community.
How old are you?
Right now, I'm 18.
Oh, okay. Did you graduate from high school?
No, I dropped out my freshman year.
Oh, okay.
Accent? I just changed accents back and forth. What brings you here?
My mom. We're doing this together. I'm so excited.
Come on.
Go. I'm so proud of you.
My hair took 3 years to grow this long. What's your favorite position?
Like sitting up or sitting down?
I have a big dick.
I can see that. Would you be willing to stuff that in different holes?
Yeah, buttholes. Do you play frisbee?
No.
Hula hoop?
No.
Sometimes ear holes.
I just want to say something. I'm so excited to be here and be part of your team. Okay, bye.
Where do you work at?
I work. Oh my God! How many times are we gonna do this? You know.
What?
Okay. What about nose holes?
Oh, it don't fit. I'm a man, but I want to be a dude. I mean, a girl. Fuck, I messed up. Is it recording?
Got you from my mom because she's here too. Come on, Mom. Come on. Hi. We're doing this together. It's so much fun. It's wait.